my channel. It's your girl Symone. If you didn't already know, now you know. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, it is going to be another wig review. Y'all, these wig reviews are lit, okay? Before we go ahead and get into this wig review, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, because if you're not subscribed, then sis, like, what you doing? Like, we lit over here. We have a good time over here. Y'all better tell them down and below in the comments, okay? Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications, so click that bell. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. And follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. Now let's go ahead and hop into this review. So today's wig is going to be from AISI Hair. I purchased this off of Amazon, and I believe this was $19.99. It is a bob wig. It's 10 inches. And it has a bang, okay, because we are loving bangs over here right now, okay? So I think the packaging is super cute. It's very simple, very chic, and you can press lock the bag, so that's great. So they sent me some goodies along with the wig, so I'm gonna show you guys what you would get if you were to order this wig yourself. So I got some lashes. I won't be using those. Those are not the kind that I wear. I wear McKiwi lashes. I bought those off of Amazon as well. I don't have the style because the style's not on the box at all, but these are the lashes nonetheless. They sent me a wig cap, a new wig cap. Can't get no better than that, because you can always use a wig cap for anything. And then they sent me, I think these are stickers. They sent me some stickers. That's what you can look forward to getting if you do purchase from them. That's cute. So thank you, AISI Hair, for that. All right, they had this thing. This is what the wig had came in. All right, and then here we go. So the wig is in a net, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. And then it has paper inside of it so that it can keep the form. And this is in the color 230. So before I take the paper out, y'all can see I really actually like the hint of color, like in the front. It's giving me, you know, some danger. Like, you know, we're living on the wild side. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's giving me that type of feel. I'm really liking this. This is giving me like pinup girl hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper out. All right, so this is a little different from the previous wig video that I did. If you've not watched that video, I'm gonna link it up here, also down below in the description box. That way you guys can go ahead and check it out. So I am seeing some lace. There is a lace parting. It's supposed to be like a realistic parting, so there is some lace. I won't say lace, but a fake scalp, if you will. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip her up. So this wig has 2 combs in the very front, so that's great for security, so that it has something to latch onto. And then let's see here. In the back, there is no comb. However, we do have 2 adjustable straps on the left and right. So that's great for security as well. This is a full cap wig. You won't be able to part this any kind of way. It is just, it comes like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these straps real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this wig on. Ooh. Okay, there is quite a bit of shedding. I'm gonna tell y'all that right off the bat. As soon as I took it out the package, I had hair falling on me, and I have hair on my face. There is some humpage. Y'all do see that. It's hump day over here. Hump day. All right, so we do have some humpage. The bangs are a lot lower than I thought, but okay. So what I'm gonna say, first of all, the texture of the hair, it is very soft. It's very, very soft. It kind of feels like a human hair mix, which I'm not sure. I will include a link down below so you guys can check yourself. And yeah, I don't believe this is human hair. I believe this is just all synthetic. It's not like a style mix or anything like that from what I remember seeing on Amazon, but it does have a little bit of a hump. So all I would do is probably place a bobby pin just to flatten this just a little bit. But other than that, yeah, this is really cute. I actually really like her. So we about to do something, okay? For $19.99, y'all, this is a look. She's real cute. Hey, you could just get up and go. So this is really, really cute, y'all. Like, I am feeling her. I am feeling her. This might be like Dora's cousin, Dorinda. Like, she likes to go out at night, you know, she likes to sneak out the house. She wants to turn up with the boys. She wants to have a good time. You know, she's a little bit more free-spirited than Dora herself. She likes to live on the wild side. That's what this is giving me. Dorinda. Nick, cut that check. I'm liking her. What do y'all think? I like that it's just very flowy. I like that it's, you know, moving a lot. I love the color, the hints of color that are in here. It's not too much. It's very subtle. So if you are somebody like me that doesn't really do a whole lot of color, this would be a perfect wig for you because the color is just placed so effortlessly in the hair and it's not too in your face. Guys, so I'm gonna come up close so that you guys can see the cut and the color. The color is just so vibrant and they did such a great job with color placement because it's just not too much. Like, I really, really like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see what it looks like from the back. I have no idea what it looks like from the back on me. So y'all gotta tell me if it's looking crazy, if it's crooked, if you can see through. Let me know, sis, let me know. So hopefully it looks good from the back, just like it looks like from the front. I love that it is wavy. I love that it has like this crimped beach tassel type of look to it. I really like this hair, y'all. I cannot get enough of this. So I highly recommend you guys going and checking out AISI hair for this wig. I will link this wig down below in the description box. That way you guys can go check it out for yourself. I think that this is definitely a great everyday wig. You could wear this to church. You could wear it to work. You could wear it on date night. You could wear this anywhere. I think it's so cute. And I just really love how flowy it is. Like, I feel like I'm in a Suave commercial. Like, it's just giving me all types of feels. I highly suggest you guys go and pick up this wig because it's giving me life, okay? It's giving me absolute life. If you guys like this video, make sure to go ahead and thumbs up this video. Also, comment down below what other types of videos you guys want to see me do. If you guys have any other suggestions of wigs that you may have seen on Amazon, that is where I've been purchasing these wigs from, and they are awesome with having great deals on hair. So if you guys see something you want me to try it out, comment down below. I'm going to leave the link for this wig in the description below, like I said. Also, make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. And I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Catch you guys later. Bye.